Hello students, good evening. Today we'll see the concept of leap year in Python. Okay, we'll write a code to check whether a year that has been given is a leap year or not. Okay, so for that we have to start the coding, and first of all we have to understand that what is a leap year actually. I will explain you all over the screen. Okay, then we'll move forward to the coding part in Python VSA, that is Visual Studio Code. So see over here students, before going I will request you to subscribe the channel if you are new to this channel and press the bell notification icon so that you can get notified with the latest uploaded videos of this programming and class 12 IT subjects, computer science. So and like the video if you like it, and definitely share with your friends so that they can make help from these videos. Okay, so first of all, leap year. Okay, leap year, what's a leap year, right? So you can say if we take a simple consideration, that means if we all know that a year comprises of 365 days actually, right? And you can say period of 4 years. You can say first of all I will erase it. Okay, so in the period of you can say at a period interval of 4 years, the day is increased to 1 day actually, that is the Feb month. Okay, Feb month, it is of 29 days you can say. So this year can be a leap year, you can say. It is considered as a leap year. So you can say the conditions are 2 to 3 conditions are there to check whether year is a leap year or not. First of all, if the year is completely divisible by 4, that means the year modulo 4 equal to 0, that means it's a leap year. But one condition is there, that the condition is it should not be a century, you can say. That means it should not, the year should not divide with 100. Okay, that means the first condition you can say, I will go to the new screen, all messed up over here. That is if this year percent 4 equal to 0, that means it is completely divisible by 4 and the remainder is 0, then it's a leap year. And once again a concept is there, that is the year should not equal to 100. That means you can say it should not be a century. Okay, for example I will show you, that is if year is equal to 2000, right, and if year it is 2004. Okay, this 2, and one more condition I will explain over here. This is the case, and one more condition is there for year, that is if year is completely divisible by 400, then also it is considered as leap year. Okay, then also it is considered as leap year, right? This, right? So the condition, I will make a clearance over here. See, for this 2000 and 2004, first of all these 3 conditions, I guess you got the clearance for this, right? So now what we'll do is 2000 and 2004. In this you can say 2000 is a leap year. Okay, and you will say that why it is leap year. It is actually divisible by 100. The number is divisible by 100. Then why you are saying like that? But you have to check for this condition as well, right? That means it is divisible by, completely divisible by 400, so it's a leap year, right? And this, it is, you can say, divisible by 4. Okay, divisible by 4, that is 4 ones are 4 fives are by 4, and not divisible by 100, so it's a leap year, you can say, right? And another example we'll take, see the 1900, the 1700, this all, is this divisible by, you can say this number suppose we take this number 4 ones are 4 4 are 16, and this you can say 4 2 are 8, and this is 4, you can say 4 4 are 16, 4 25 it is. Okay, 4 are 16, then 1 is remaining, so 10. So 10 means 4 2 are 8, again 2 remaining, that means 20, that means 425, right? But see over here, it is not a leap year. Why? Because it is the century year, that is 00 is there at the end, right? So this is the concept. So don't get confused. If you are then also confused over here, then please comment me below in the comment section. I will make a separate video for that, for only explaining this leap year, right? So we'll start with the coding part now, right? So we'll go over here to the coding, you can say Visual Studio Editor. We'll go to the, so students अभी क्या करेंगे हम लोग, यहाँ पे एडिटर पे आ जाएंगे विजुअल स्टूडियो कोड का, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे हम लोग यू कैन से स्टार्ट करेंगे कोडिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल आपका क्या है, लीप ईयर चेक, ठीक है, .py ये लेंगे हम, एंड ऑल फाइल्स में जाके इसको सेव कर देंगे, राइट? नाउ विल टेक द ईयर, can say to be inputted from user, okay, so enter the year to check leap year or not, right? हो गया ये अपना. अब कंडीशंस आएंगी, जैसे कि मैंने बताया था, इफ ईयर, ठीक है, इफ ईयर परसेंट, पहला कंडीशन क्या था, ये था %4 इज इक्वल टू 0, राइट? देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अगेन यू हैव टू चेक फॉर ईयर परसेंट 100 के लिए भी सेंचुरी है कि नहीं, जो मैंने बताया था आपको, राइट? सो इधर हम लोग ये ले लेंगे, ठीक है? देन अगेन विल चेक द अनदर कंडीशन दैट इज फॉर 400, राइट? ओके, विल डू द प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट ओवर हियर, ठीक है? सो ये टोटली टू चेक विथ this, like this, okay? So now this, if it is done like this, then you have to print that the entered year is a leap year, right? Then again in else part you can say print the year entered year is not a leap year. As I told, if it is a century, then you have not to consider. Okay, now, okay, first of all we'll take this way, right, and take this like this. Okay, this if else, then again we'll go for this else, right? And again over here we'll make it as leap year for 400. Okay, so year entered leap year is leap year, right? Done. And the else part of all, if it doesn't satisfy all these conditions, then you know that it is not a leap year. For that, print it like this, then year, then you can say entered year is not a leap year. Okay students, so we have done the complete code over here. right? So now we'll check. We'll go over here, run the code, and let it ask us to enter. Okay, it asked. So for 2000, we'll check. See, it's a leap year, as I explained you before. Then again for 2004, see, it's a leap year. Then again we'll check for 2000, you can say in 1900, say it's not a leap year. And again we will check for 1700, see it's not a leap year. Then you can say we'll check for another one, that is 2019. Oh, so it's a not a leap year. Then for 2020, then check, it's a leap year. Fine students, so we have done with the coding part, and you can note this code and you can practice it out. So hope so you understood these things, and if you still have any doubt in the conditions that we have taken, you can ask me in the comment section, and definitely I will request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon so that you can make avail this latest upload videos. You will get notified by that. And definitely like the video if you like it, and share it with your friends. Till then, thank you, have a good day, see ya.